திருச்சிற்றம்பலம் ஜிதிராம். Sir, Kannayan Mudor is here to render sacred Tamil Vedam called Tirumurai in this gifted another session. I am Bonesh, son of Sri Kannayan Mudor. We are from Tanjavur, located in Tamil Nadu, from south part of India. So Tirumurai is ancient devotional hymn sung in praise of Lord Shiva by 63 saints called 9 months around 6th century to 11th century. The supreme literary session, Tirumurai was sung predominantly by Nanavar Thirunavukarasar, Thirunஞான Sambandar, Sundarar, Manikavasarar in 2000 years old language Tamil. It was rendered in an ancient musical style that precedes most South Indian classical music systems. And these songs give us insight into the wave of bhakti that swept across southern India during 7th century. 600 years old culturally rich Tirumurai has 12 volumes and is being rendered in Lord Shiva temples without any change in traditional ragas by Shiva devotees. Moreover, Devana has been given the ultimate priority also in the ritual ceremonies, especially in marriages. For instance, marriages in our family and many South Indian families were conducted as per Tamil Agam directed in Tirumurai, along with heart-melting Tirumurai hymns for the prosperity and wellness from Lord Shivavarma. You may have heard about it, Tamil Agama marriages. And since this glorious philosophical system cleanses our body and mind, Tirumurai books are being considered as a cultural treasure. Tirumurai books itself are being worshipped as God in our home and temples in the name of Tirumurai temple. Definitely you can see our Tirumurai temple here. So we are also having the cultural treasures, the Tirumurai books, and we are worshipping as God. So, and as we know, Lord Shiva, the Rudran is predominantly known as God of destruction, and also he is symbol of mercy. So he is pleased very easily through reciting powerful Tirumurai mantras to protect us and the world from diseases and sort of negativity, and to win over the fear in current situation like what the world is facing now. It's our humble effort to offer a fragment of this powerful mantra to purify our soul, and Lord Shiva will shower his blessings on us to wipe out the current challenge to the world. Tiruchittambalam, I am handing over to Sri Kannayan, and now the meaning of the Tirumurai will be presented by me after his session, and it will also be posted in the WhatsApp group or our Zoom group. Let me hand it over to Kannayan.
திருஞான சம்பந்தர் பாடிய தேவாரம். வேயுரு தோழி பங்கன் விடமுண்ட கண்டன் மிக நல்ல வீணை கடத்தி வேயுரு தோழி பங்கன் விடமுண்ட கண்டன் மிக நல்ல வீணை கடத்தி ஆசரு திங்கள் தந்தை முடிவேலன் உளமே புகுந்த சதனாசு ஞாயிறு திங்கள் செவ்வாய்
Somebody may have heard about it. It is called Roller Padinam, which is gifted by great Thirugnana Samandar, one of the 63 Nayanmas, and it is from Tirumurai Volume 2. So the meaning of the Padinam what we have done now is Lord Sivaperuman, who was a lady whose shoulders resemble green bamboo on one half, has a neck that consumes the poison, playing on an excellent veena without defects, adorning his head with a spotless crescent and convey on account of the fact that he entered into my mind. The sun, the moon, the Mars, the Mercury, the Jupiter, the Venus, the Saturn, the Rahu, Ketu, which are in the form of snakes, all making up 9 planets, will do good without any defect. They are exceedingly beneficial to devotees. Finally, the Brahmapuram derives its name from Brahma, who worshipped there. It has many groves full of bees and fragrance. Sugarcane and excellent rice varieties grow in plenty. Its abundant wealth is seen everywhere. The sage Jnana Sambandhan, who knows both divine and non-divine knowledge, hails from that town. He has sung his garland of words to dispel the ill effects caused by the planets, stars and other such things, so that devotees do not suffer. Those devotees who chant this Padinam, a set of songs, can rule the heaven. So, the last song, which is basically from Vaidishwaran temple, Padinam, which will be sung by Kanai Madhwar now.
திருநாவுக்கரசர் பாடிய தேவாரம் 6ஆம் திருமுறை. பேராயிரம் பரவி பாரோகேத்தும் பெருமானை, பேராயிரம் பரவி பாரோகேத்தும் பெருமானை, பிரிவிழா அடியார்க்கு என்றும்
Meaning for the which is gifted from Tirunavakarasar in Tirumurai volume 2 is, I have wasted many days not hailing him of Pullirvellu. He is the Lord whom Devas hail with 1,000 names, and to the servitors who part of not from him. He secures the wealth of salvation, becoming mantra, tantra and medicine too. He cured the illness impossible to cure. He is the martial one who held the strong bow with which he gutted with fire the triple hostile towns. Thank you.
மாணிக்கவாசகருடைய திருவாசகம் பாடினேன் தாயினோ சாலப்பறிந்து நீ பாதியே ஊனினை முறுக்கி பாதியே ஊனினை
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the Sai devotees in Australia. Nandri. And special thanks to Sriraj Balaji sir also. Thank you.